we'll be doing a Toyota RAV4 2017 model. I was just going to show you guys what comes in our kit. So you got your head unit, scan tool, Vhedia scan tool. You've got a GPS antenna, USB ports, and mic off mic to run it off mic and mic. Got the handbook. This is for your aux. This is another retention cable, USB retention if you had this output there. This is if you want to run an off-market speaker and amp. This is for your reverse camera. Here, this is your 20 power harness, 20 pin power harness with all the different heads, so it fits all the cables. And it also comes with a CAN bus. And then you also have your Wi-Fi antenna, and you also get some trimming tools. And there you have it. This is for the RAV4 2017. First bit that comes off is this silver bit here. This silver bit right here comes off. So using a trimming tool, I recommend taking it from the corner right off. Like so. And it should all come off quite easily. So this bit comes off. Just need to take out this bit here. Should just come out. So we have these two yellow brackets there. This bit there, and then you've got it. You can take out the aircon vents. Because they've got the clips as well. So. All comes out here. So this is the head unit here without everything. So you just there's 4 bolts here, one over here, and one here. So just using like a ratchet screw. Just be careful not to drop them. So once all the screws are out, all you need to do is just pull it out. Just gently tug it. I'll show you guys here. So you see this bit right there, you just need to use a trimming tool to pop that out because there are brackets on there. See, it's a bit of a push. So once it's out, you will have all the cables there. You just need to remove them. So once all the cables are out, it'll be left with just the head unit coming out. With the back of it. There you go. You'll see these yellow brackets there. You just need to take them off to put it onto the new head unit. So it'll go like here and here. Just so you're just using a flat hip for a screwdriver. It can hit you in the eye because it does fly off sometimes like that. So then there you go. So you do all these for all 4. So guys, so once you remove them, just place them onto the new fascia. Like so, just press them down until it clicks. Just make sure they're properly in there. And there you have it. You just need to just basically mix and match on our harness. So just about mix and matching each of them. Have it. We're just gonna place it in to test it to see if power goes to it. So just put the 20 pin plug there, and you can also put your antenna so you can test out. Yes. So just turn on my car just to see if power's up to the head unit. As you can see, it does. This screen will say about 10 seconds, but after that, every time you turn it on, it will pop on straight away. As you can see, so that's good, it's working, like all the signals are working pretty good. Speak a channel, just to see if the sound's working. The steering controls are already working, which is good, which is great actually. That's good. There you have it. So it's good, and now all you have to do is turn off the car and hook up the rest of the cables. As for extension, just put it in reverse to see if it triggers. Obviously the input's not in yet, but yeah, so it's good. It's, we haven't put it in yet, but it's good that it's triggering. The Wi-Fi antenna and GPS are both screwed on, and this label there. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. For both the Wi-Fi antenna, these little plastic things comes off to stick it up to the dashboard. So you can either stick it like making sure nothing's obstructing it. But if you do not have any space for it, just on top here, it's totally fine. So for Wi-Fi, go, and then same thing for a GPS. Here, just stick it on at the back. USB retention cables, and if you want to run aftermarket light, these will run at the back and come into the glove box or anywhere you'd like. But I'll show you guys in a moment. So guys, so this here, that's the retention cable. It goes, you push it to the back, and it'll come out at the bottom there, hanging out there. So it goes in there and pushes out at the bottom. Here, this is for your reverse camera. So all you need to do is plug this thing that's on the harness onto the cam in camera. There we go. So now all we have to do is push the head unit back. Just line them up to these grooves here. So the yellow, just line them up into the hole. There you go. Aircon vents back in. Same thing. Just push these back into place until it clicks. There. Push it back. Go. This right here, just stick it back. Yeah. There you go. Same idea. And then you just go and push it all back. And there you go. As good as new. So now you have the head units ready for use. But I'll show you guys on how to set up Apple CarPlay. So I'm just going to show you guys how to set up Apple CarPlay. So SpeedPlay is the Apple CarPlay app. All you have to do is go on Bluetooth. You'll come on here on your phone. Just go onto your settings here on Bluetooth. Should come up with Vhedia BT. Code is 000, so 4 zeros. Make sure you press your phone should come up. So you go 000. Then you go pair. So then my phone came up there. So now once you go back onto the home screen, you go onto SpeedPlay. This screen will pop up, but on your phone in a second. It takes a bit of time the first time. You'll receive a notification asking if you want to use Apple CarPlay. So see, now it's connecting on the phone now. A screen will pop up saying use Apple CarPlay. It may take a few minutes. So here you go. So you go use Apple CarPlay. So now on the screen, if your phone pops out in the corner, that's a good sign. And there you have it. So now Apple CarPlay is hooked up. You've got your maps. You've got your phone there. And there you have it. If you want to go, just click back on home. We also got an app called Wilkie Study. You'd use this app to set up all the steering wheel controls, but the steering controls already work, as you can see. So you don't have to do this in this model. But yeah, guys, here you have it. You got Apple CarPlay. And thanks again for joining us for another install. Thank you.